Hey guys, welcome to the Tumbling Coach. Today with me I have Emerson. Say hi, Emerson. We are going to be breaking down the first step of a back walkover, which is a standing back bend.
Like and subscribe.
Emerson will be demonstrating some skills today that will help with your flexibility and strength and confidence needed to perfect and master your standing back bend, which she is going to go ahead and show us. Arms go up and back. Very nice. And come down. Ooh, nice work. So the first thing we are going to be demonstrating is a wall walk. Yep, so all we really need is just like a small space where you have an open wall, and your athlete is going to start with their arms up, facing away from the wall, reach back for the wall, walk their hands down, down, down. Yes, as they get better and better at that, they can begin to walk their hands back up the wall as Emerson just demonstrated. That was good. As you get more and more confident with these, you can start taking steps away from the wall, and so it's a little bit longer before you actually hit the wall and you go lower on it. Nice. Then walk your way back up. Another drill that I like to do is a standing knee back bend. So you're on your knees and you stand on your knees next to the wall. You scoot away from it a little bit. Yep, and you're gonna put your arms tight by your ears. Oh, I'm gonna have you do that one more time, and she's gonna put her arms super, super tight by your ears. Yep, and go nice and controlled back and come back up. Using your muscles. Yep, this will develop a lot of that core strength needed to resist back into the back bend. As you get more and more confident with each of those drills, the next step is to do a standing back bend. So if you start with your feet nice and wide, that makes it a little bit easier because you'll be lower to the ground, arms up, and go as slow as you can into that back bend. Very nice job, Emerson. So as you get comfortable with your standing back bend, the next step for a back walkover will be to start with one foot in front of the other. And stop. Nice, come down. As you get comfortable with that, the next step will be to start bringing that leg up to prepare for the kick. And leg up. Nice. Very good job, Emerson. Sweet. All right, you guys, thanks for joining us and learning how to do a standing back bend. And Emerson, thank you for teaching everyone. Be sure to comment, like, and subscribe for more of these tutorials. And thumbs up. And remember, this is just step one of the back walkover. So check out step 2 and step 3 once you have it ready to roll.